Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. You may be fine, but our plants are not fine at all. Is your plant's health also like this? Here our leaves' color has totally faded and our plant is also wilting. This rose plant's leaves are burnt and most of them are shaded. Your plants could also have symptoms of flower or fruit drop and blossom end rots. But what could be the main cause of this? What do you think? When plants are subjected to high temperatures for a long time, they might experience stress. If we do not take precautions against this high temperature, this stress has negative effects on plants. This is called heat stress. This term, heat stress, often refers to a period in which plants are subjected to high temperatures for long enough to permanently alter their ability to function or grow normally. But now as we know the reason, how can we save our plants from this heat stress? Here are some precautions you should take as we cannot control the weather. First, if your place has high temperatures all day long, you can give temporary shading. It's essential to shade your plants during the midday sun to prevent stress. You can put your plant in a shaded area like under a tree or in your house which is already affected by this heat stress. During this time, make sure to give no chemical fertilizers at all. You can only use organic manure. It's not a good idea to fertilize during a heat wave. Also, after you use this organic manure, make sure to give sufficient water. Next point is always to apply mulch. Here my mom is giving coco peat. It absorbs water and acts as a slow releasing fertilizer as well. Don't worry if you do not have coco peat. You can also mulch with a layer of straw, hay, leaves or paper. Now I will tell you about the weeds. Even when there is a heat wave, make sure to pull all of the weeds off the pot. Because most weeds are able to withstand heat stress than cultivated plants. This makes them competitors of moisture and nutrients. And the most important step is sufficient watering. You can also add 5 to 10 ml of bioenzyme with 1 liter of water. It enriches the soil. Not only that, but it also helps in plant growth. Make sure to water thoroughly and do it in early morning or the water will evaporate away. If you cannot do it in early morning, make sure to do it in the evening then. Not only that, but also you can spray this mixture on the foliages to make the plant cool. If you follow these steps, then you can recover plant from this heat stress very quickly. If you also have a problem like this, make sure to take these precautions as quick as possible. And how these plants recover, we will of course give you a notification. I just hope our plants will be green like before. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked this video, then make sure to follow our channel and watch all the other videos. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.